Hey guys, welcome back to Triple T, and today I'll be showing you step by step on how to create another YouTube channel using the same account. The same Gmail. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So guys, you might think it is impossible Triple T to create another channel using the same Gmail. But now I'm gonna say that it is possible and it's also very easy. So guys, first what you have to do is go to Google and then search for YouTube, and then you might come to your home page. And also guys, there's no need of a website. You can do it using YouTube, and also you don't need to create another Gmails, then those kind of stuffs and passwords. I hate those. I hate to remember the passwords, and once I forgot one of my Gmails, and then I had to reset it, and all my data got lost. I don't know why, because normally it would stay, but I think I typed the password wrong for more than 10 times, maybe 20 times. I don't know. So guys, first what you have to do is go to YouTube, and then do what I told before. Click on the profile picture and then click on settings. So then after that you will be redirected to this page, and then under your YouTube channel, there are three options, which are channel status and feature, add or manage your channels, view advanced settings. So it's very obvious guys, you should click on add or manage your channel, and then you'll be again redirected to this page where you can add your channel or else delete one. So guys, now I'm in my Triple T tutorials channel, and also yesterday I created one of my other channels. It was just a trial. So guys, to create a channel, you can simply click on right here, and then you can name your channel. So I'm gonna be naming it as trial, and then create. So guys, it may take a while. See, it's redirecting. You might not see that word because I only choose a specific command to screen record. Yeah, it takes some time, and as you can see guys, my channel is has been created. So guys, to remove that, as I don't need this channel anymore, I'm gonna again go to settings and then manage your channels. But guys, now we are not gonna create channel. Instead, we are gonna go to advanced settings and then click on delete channel. So now guys, I can type my password, but you can't see it. Next. So then it may take a while because it needs to delete your channel from YouTube, the whole YouTube algorithm. So then you can so there are two options. You can hide your content in your channel, or else you can permanently delete my content. So I need to permanently delete this, so I'm going to click check this mark and then click on delete my content. So before deleting it, they say comments that you made on YouTube, your replies and thumbs on comments, your messages, your search and watch history, etc. So now I'm gonna click delete my content, and then I'm gonna type my channel. So it was named as trial, and then click on delete my content. So it may take a while. So a message came saying your content is being deleted. Your content processed by permanent delete. Usually takes a few minutes, but you can take up for a couple of days if you have a lot of content. So as I don't have videos, or as even one single like, it may be removed in another 2 minutes, or else from one. So guys, if you have so much content and you need to delete the channel, it may take days and days to delete it from the whole YouTube, because if your channel is going on YouTube, if you have 1 million subs, or anyone won't delete a channel with 1 million subs, or else if you have 1k views on one of your videos, then it might be so hard to delete. So yeah, so this is another video for my blue edition. So now I'm gonna finish the blue edition and then start a new playlist, or else I'm gonna delete one because I can only add up to 10 playlists, but now I have only 9, so I can't add another one because it might take, you know what I mean. So yeah, Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and leave a like in this video. See you in the next video.
Bad little bitch, she steady dripping Sailor on. She got the perfect face, thumbing through the deck of 52, and she the highest rank. She don't answer questions, she mysterious like that.